The Laser Linewidth Interactive Calculator helps you determine laser linewidth parameters under various operating conditions. Let's explore the inputs. First, select your calculation mode from 6 options. Schawlow-Townes linewidth fundamental limit, linewidth from cavity Q factor, linewidth from coherence length, modified linewidth A factor correction, linewidth from beat note measurement, or required finesse for target linewidth. I'm using Schawlow-Townes linewidth for this demo. Enter your wavelength in nanometers, output power in milliwatts, cavity length in millimeters, and refractive index. Additional fields include quality factor Q, coherence length in kilometers, linewidth enhancement A, intrinsic linewidth in kilohertz, beat note FWHM in kilohertz, target linewidth in kilohertz, and mirror reflectivity from 0 to 1. For our example, I'll input wavelength 1550 nanometers, output power 10 milliwatts, cavity length 25 millimeters, refractive index 3.5, with all other fields at their default values. After clicking Calculate Linewidth Parameters, the primary result shows 1.2 high 22E 15 kHz, an extremely narrow line width. The frequency reads 193.414 terahertz. Coherence time is 2.61 E + 17 microseconds. Coherence length extends to 781.0334316134242 kilometers, and both quality factor and spectral purity equal 1.58 E + 26, indicating exceptional laser performance. This calculator streamlines complex optical calculations for laser system design. Find the link in the description below.